Okay, and then we got Woodland Sound Studios, Woodland Street, Nashville, Tennessee. Number 1, Empress Chili, 15 IPS, 30 seconds. Notes, heads out, speed. Got some sort of little audio reel here. Yeah, this is an audio reel. And this is the box. It came in right here. That's pretty sweet. Oh, we got Abbott and Costello. Who's on first? Well, Abbott and Costello, Who's on First, featuring Who's on First. DVD right there. Cool. Oh, look at that. We got a little Rocky 3 action. Clubber Lang, Mr. 2. And that is the DVD. Needs to be in good condition. Probably sell that. And then we got a gun right here. The dart gun. We got a little Archie digest. This one has some water damage there. Oh snap! Look at that. Look at that. We got Space Jam VHS. Yeah, that's the tape. The clamshell looks good. A little bit of damage there. But it also has the coin. The collector coin there. That is cool. Don't mind if I do. We got that. And then we got American Federation of Astrologers, Inc. Bulletin, Volume 37, Number 5. Today's Astrologer. May 11th, 1975, Tempe, Arizona. That's pretty cool. Check that out. Now, this is craziness right here. I just saw this on the back. This is pretty crazy because check out what's on the back. Gemini, May 21st to June 22nd. I am a Gemini. My birthday just passed the other day on May 22nd. And that's funny that's on here. And it's actually is like the 25th of May. So that's hilarious. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, and then we got like a big figure here. Let me open this up real quick. Alright, and then we took this guy out. Little zombie here. Colts. Holding a little football here. It says Forever Collectibles. NFL, made in China. See that? That's kind of cool. We got a Nerf dart. Then we got some Whitman's chocolate samplers here. Chocolate sampler. Alright. Got a little water gun shark. Solomon Grundy, little toy here. Little Cat in the Hat thing 1 dealy. Little Batman Lego toy. And we have some matches. Alright, this is cool stuff right here. We got matches from Mike Anderson's Seafood, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. What did I say? Louisiana. So that's cool there. We got some matches from Omni Hotels. I think there's one of these in LA, downtown LA. Let's see. Serving the great cities of America, Atlanta, Baltimore, Boston, blah, 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 blah. I don't see one for LA, but I'm pretty sure there's one in LA. I'm pretty sure there's one in LA, in downtown LA. Got that there. This doesn't look that old. That. Then we got La Samana, Saint Martin, France. Product of Japan. Some more little wooden matches there. Unused, that's pretty cool. Juban's Restaurant, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. See that? It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, you can. I was gonna say I don't know if you can sell matches, but yeah, people sell vintage matchbooks. The Pawn, I don't know what that is. Ponchard Train, That's probably not right. New Orleans Caribbean Room, world famous for Creole provincial cuisine, Mile High Pie. What is Mile High Pie? We got like a plastic knife there, little toy. Got a pin. Oh, this is cool. Little cranium, like bouncy ball. The cool thing about this is the artist. Of course, I would go blank. Oh my goodness. The artist. He's a pretty popular artist. I'm gonna put the name down here. I follow him on Instagram and I followed him for years and just going blank right now. So that's cool. I'm gonna keep this because I have a couple of his items. So that's gonna go towards me. Phillips cookies with your lunch, 5 cents. We got tons of matches here. Hyatt Hotels. Hyatt Hotels. Right there. This one is Restaurant Tio Pepe. This one seems to be used, or it was just smashed. This looks cool. This would be probably 70s maybe. What is this? Host? I don't know. Host Farm, Host Corral, Host Inn, Host Town. Maybe some like hotels or something like that. Alright, let's move a little bit faster. Hyatt Regency in Waikiki. Let's check that out. That's cool. Tons of matches. Let's go through these. We got Tammy and Michael, September 28, 1996. Right, Wedding Club Sterling. That one. Another one is Mike Anderson's Seafood. That one's no good. Reliance. Some ephemera. There's some cool stuff in here, but I want to blow through the matches. Another one of those. This one says David on it. Looks like they used some of those. And that is it for the matches. Alright, and then we got like a... Is this a negative or something? See that? It's kind of creepy, right? It's pretty creepy. Huh? Looks like... This is old. This is old. There's like a Model A in the back. There's like a car in the back that has like the big wagon wheels. And it looks like they're like on a track team or at the beach. You see that? That's a little creepy. Alright, more pictures. May 1962. Somebody's class picture there. May 1962. Another class picture there. See that? I know a lot of people get creeped out by the pictures. I think they're cool because it's like, how was the rest of the day for these kids? You know, it looks like they had like a class party or something. You know, what did they do before this moment, after this moment, during this moment? What was going on? May 1962. Check out this one, 1959. That's a cool one. Oh, it's snow right there. Little October 1966. A family portrait there. 1962. Check that out.